Correctly managing your guidance lines is an important aspect in your Generation 4 display. As we talked about, if you do not set up new names for your tracks, they will simply be named Track 1, Track 2, Track 3, and so on. If I would like to manage my guidance tracks, simply select Set Track, and it will currently show you the track selected as well as all the other tracks that are assigned to the current field. If you would like to delete a track, simply select Edit. If we would like to change the track name, we can do that. Or if we would like to delete the track, go ahead and select Delete. Select OK, and that will remove the track from the list. As you can see here, I have several lines that have east. I have east end rows, east in, which are almost the same line. I have east 2, I have east. There are several of those that I may not need. Again, so if I would like to delete those, select them. It will show you where they're at in the field relative to where you're currently sitting. Select Edit, then delete track. So we need to manage our list so when we come back to the field for subsequent operations, we can make sure we have a nice clean list to easily identify lines in the field. While deleting, you can also see you have the ability to assign to a different field. You can also clear shifts if there are any shifts set up on that line, as well as review the coordinates. So I'm back to my 4 lines that go around the field as well as my boundary track. Select OK when done.